Patrymau Iaith diwrnod 10. Caernarfon. Mynediad. Day 10 language patterns. Your day in Caernarfon helps prepare you for the Mynediad exam. Here's a quick overview of the exam content. The Mynediad exam has the following questions. Papur 1. Papur darllen a deall. Hanner awr. Cwestiwn 1. Hysbysebion. You will be asked to answer questions about an advert. Cwestiwn 2. Cwestiwn 2. Dialogue. You need to read a dialogue and fill in a grid based on the information given. Cwestiwn 3. Llenwi bylchau. You will be asked to fill the gaps in a sentence with the correct word. Papur 2. Papur ysgrifennu. Hanner awr. Cwestiwn 1. Cerdyn post. You need to fill in the gaps in a postcard and write sentences that use the given word. Cwestiwn 2. Portread. You will be given a portrait of a person described in pictures and need to write sentences about that person. Papur 3. Papur gwrando a deall. Hanner awr. Rhan 1. Dialogue. You will need to listen to the information and answer multiple choice questions about what was said. Rhan 2. Bulletin tywydd. You will need to listen to a weather forecast. You will have to fill in gaps and write sentences about the information in the bulletin. Rhan 3. Amserau a phrisiau. You will hear an announcement about different events. You will need to write down the starting time and how much it costs. Y prawf lafar. Siarad. Rhan 1. Darllen dialog. You will need to read a dialogue with a partner. Rhan 2. Ateb cwestiynau. You will need to answer questions asked by the interviewer. Rhan 3. Ateb cwestiynau am y llun. The interviewer will ask you questions about a picture. Rhan 4. Gofyn cwestiynau. You will need to ask questions based on a list of suitable words. You probably need to talk about yourself in the exam, but the day out in Caernarfon will give you extra practice at using the same patterns and concepts in a different context. This should then make talking about yourself using the same patterns much easier.